Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. How to microwave eggs? I've gotten this question from a lot of different people, and I figured I'd show you what I do. So I take 2 eggs, crack them into a measuring cup, glass measuring cup, make things a little bit easier. And then I usually take a splash of milk. And then I mix them up with a fork. And then depending on the power of your microwave, usually it's like 2 to 3 minutes. I usually start off with 3 minutes. And then I let it cook for about a minute, and then I'll mix it up. So stay tuned. Okay, so about after a minute, you're gonna get like nice and fluffy. They're not cooked all the way yet, so we'll scramble them up a little bit more. Okay, put them back in the microwave. So that's about a minute and a half in this microwave, and these eggs are basically, they're done. I'll just mix them up. Get a plate. A little bit of salt and pepper. And you have quick and easy microwaved eggs. Brian from Garage Mahal. Be safe out there.